Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this wonderful looking lock is a Sidese or Sidese, I don't know how to pronounce it, lock sent to me by the amazing, talented Tallan pick. Please do go check out his channel, links in the description. What am I saying? Of course, you're already subscribed to Tallan pick, because why wouldn't you be? Anyway, he sent me this beautiful lock, and yeah, it's actually a tubular lock. It might look like a pump lock, like something like this. There's like this Sidese safe lock, and it is similar in a way. You have a key which goes in vertically and pushes down some pins, but in this case you're pushing across some levers, and this is about 100 times harder to pick than this one. What is inside this? Well, it is very much like a standard tubular lock. I don't have the key to this, but you can imagine that what you're doing is exactly the same. You have a key which has these cuts to different depths on the side. They will engage with these little sprung, for want of a better word, pins. Look. And they will push these down to a certain depth. They will reach a shear line, and that will allow the lock to turn. The only difference is that you also have at the bottom of this a pin, which means that it sort of engages with this clutch mechanism here, and allows the whole lock to turn some other deadbolt or similar in a door. So yeah, very cool lock. Now, one thing I can't do is I can't gut it. You can remove these covers, which are just cosmetic, and you can swap them over for brass ones, I imagine, instead of these chromed ones, but there isn't actually a way in. It all seems to be sort of crimped and pinned, and since this is the only one I have, even if it doesn't have a key, I really don't want to destroy it. So we are just going to do a picking video. If I can find a video of Tallan pick gutting a similar lock, then I will link to it in an information card and then in the description below, so you can see a similar lock gutted if you wish. Anyway, let's have a go at picking it. What I'm going to do is pick it one position, and then probably pick it the rest to the full 360, but what I will do is I'll speed up the rest of the video from the second picking. So I'm all viced up, and to pick this I've got this really interesting little tensioning tool. Basically it is flat on the bottom and will press down on that little clutch pin and also allow me to tension the lock. So I'm going to try and, like I said before, pick it a position, then fast forward the rest of the video as I pick all the way around the full 360. So so let's have a go. Pin 1 is binding, so push and set. Pin 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4 now. I think that's set. We tiny click on 5, and then we just go and find if there's anybody who isn't 100% fully set. Just give them a tap. I think it might be pin 3. And yep, there we go. We've got our first position. Right, let's speed this up and I'll try and pick the other positions. And there we are. So that took in real time just over 4 minutes, I think, to pick 5 positions. It was quite easy to do, I think, on the 3rd position. For whatever reason, maybe it's slightly not centralized inside the lock, but I found that the tensioner actually covered up pin 2 when it was in the 3rd position along. I don't know why, because it was fine for the rest of the picking. A bit odd, but there you go. That's a full 360 on this Sidese or Sidese or Sidese, I don't know, lock. Really good fun. Thank you, Tallan pick, for sending this to me. One day I would love to have another go at another one of these, and be able to show off a key. So yeah, I'll look out for one. Okay, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time.